Hey, welcome to the Backwoods Gourmet. I am so excited. I just got my brand new Lodge Cook It All. We're going to go ahead and unbox it right here at this beautiful park and see what's inside. So y'all stay tuned. So last week I was looking at my YouTube home feed there, and up pops this ad from Lodge for the Cook It All. They showed a short little clip of this product, and I immediately said, we've got to get that. So jumped online, ordered it from Lodge directly from them. It was quick and easy. I got it in like 3 days after ordering it, and I'll tell you, I'm really excited to open this box right here. So the first thing I'm going to tell you about the Lodge Cook It All, it's heavy. I just humped it from the truck out here to this beautiful spot among the oaks. I thought about it, I was thinking about it all week, hey, where we're going to film this unbox at, and I came across this place here, and I said, it couldn't be no better place. I'll apologize for some of the noise in the background. Apparently somebody about a half mile from here is running a wood chipper. But anyway, let's go ahead and let's open this bad boy up and see what it looks like inside. Alrighty, let's open this box up. Like I said, this thing, I'm not sure exactly how much it weighs, but I'll tell you this right now, it's heavier than my 12-inch Dutch oven. So it's got an inner box inside. Go ahead and slide that out. Like some of the items are individually packaged. Oh, I guess it's all in this one box. All right, with a flip top lid. There's a picture of it right there. The interior box. If you see this in a retail store, it's probably gonna look like this. Here we go. Here's the beast. So here's your little claws to grab a hold of it with, and of course it comes with a book. Alright, so let's go ahead and take out the main pot right here. That out of there first. It is pretty big. That's probably close to the same diameter as a 14-inch Dutch oven. And then the bottom of it has this big rim here. It also has a small rim here to help hold your charcoals around the side. Thanks to another YouTube comment coming in on my phone right there. So let's get out the other piece. In between here, just got a layer of cardboard. And here's the griddle portion. And that joker's heavy too. It's got grills on one side, flat griddle on the other side. So there are several different configurations you can use this product for. We'll show you how to get those handles. Those are just for handling it when it's hot, so we're going to leave those in the bag right now. Obviously it's not hot right now, so you can use it as a wok. It's got rounded bottoms in here. Let's take a look at the quality real quick. So initial quality for me right out of the box there, the inside looks very consistent with the other Lodge products. The casting looks well done. I don't see any mold marks or anything on it. They grind it off just a little bit right there from the mold, but it's nice and smooth. There's no sharp edges. Same with the griddle. Seems to be very well molded. There's no sharp edges on it anywhere. No imperfections in the casting. So as usual from Lodge, they do a really good job. So you can just set that on the fire, set it on some charcoals, use it just like that, or you can bring over your Dutch oven and use it as a Dutch oven lid, or your lid and use it just like a Dutch oven. That, either way, okay. And I'm thinking also they show a quick little picture of using it as an oven with the whatever you're cooking here, and then put the dome on top like that with your charcoals on, and use it as an oven. So we're not going to do that here today. We just wanted to bring it out real quick and show you the product, and do a quick unboxing. Can't wait to get this back to the studio and cook something up for you guys. Got a spider on my camera. So real quick, let's open these guys up and see how they work. They got a nice heat resistant handles on them there, and yeah, they're, at least they don't swivel. You can't control them. And this is made to hook both the pot and the lid, I guess. You know, you guys are going to learn with me on how to operate that. That picks up pretty nicely. So I tell you what, you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and ring the little bell, turn on your notifications. That'll make sure you get notified when we put up new videos cooking on the Lodge. Cook it all. I can't wait.